That includes traffic violations, which are non-criminal offenses, and traffic misdemeanors, which are criminal offenses. Through our website, drsummons.com, we are retained by hundreds of motorists each year throughout the state to represent them on their traffic violations. As a result of handling so many cases, we have developed a working knowledge and working relationships with most of the courts throughout this state. This helps us to obtain favorable plea bargains for our clients. We have about a 99% success rate at having those tickets either reduced or dismissed. Anyone issued a traffic ticket in New York State should fight their ticket. If you accumulate a certain amount of points, specifically 11, your license is subject to suspension. The driver responsibility assessment fee is a fee that the New York State Legislature has imposed on anyone who accumulates 6 or more points. Once you accumulate 6 points on your driver's license, you will be assessed $100 per year for 3 years, or a total of $300. That assessment fee will go up by $25 for each point over 6 points. Therefore, if you were to accumulate 8 points on your license, in addition to the fines for the underlying tickets, you would be assessed $150 per year for 3 years, or a total of $450. Many of our clients get multiple speeding tickets over any certain number of months and wind up never getting a speeding ticket conviction because of our success rate at having tickets reduced or dismissed. We are successful in negotiating that charge down to a traffic violation, thus avoid that 3 speed in an 18-month period, which would result in suspension, or that 2 work zone speed in an 18-month situation that would result in a suspension. What many people don't realize is that there are many traffic offenses which fall into the misdemeanor classification. These are criminal offenses that, if not handled properly, you could wind up with a misdemeanor conviction and a criminal record as a result of that traffic offense. Some of these offenses include reckless driving, aggravated unlicensed operator, operating without proper registration, operating with bad brakes. One of the benefits of hiring a law firm that's experienced in handling New York State traffic tickets is our ability to take your case to trial. Many times we are able to negotiate a very favorable plea bargain on behalf of our clients. Tickets issued in New York City are more difficult to fight because they are handled by the Traffic Violation Bureau of the Department of Motor Vehicles. There's no plea bargaining in those courts. In the New York City system, if the officer fails to appear 2 times, we can usually obtain a dismissal for our client. Therefore, if you hire Tilem Campbell to represent you on your New York City ticket, you will pay a one-time fee. You will never have to appear. We can keep going back time and time again in the hopes that the officer fails to appear 2 times. All of the attorneys with Tilem Campbell have an excellent working knowledge of all of the laws associated with traffic offenses of every kind.